Maybe it's healing. Maybe it's quiet. Maybe it's messy. Maybe life is supposed to be chaos right now.
Try to believe in good days, always inside to visit my mind, help me on my.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, I make self-love, mindset, and motivation videos, all from experience. Today I want to share with you something I've struggled with, and that is comparing my own success to other people's success. I have always felt like I'm not where I'm supposed to be, but the reality is everyone has their own unique path. You're not supposed to discredit yours by looking at other people and seeing, oh, they're the same age as me, but look at how much they've done. You don't know what their journey actually looks like, the struggles they've faced, or what they're actually doing. It's all on the internet. You don't know if it's even real or not. Feeling like you're behind in life is one of the loneliest feelings, and I've always felt that until I learned that I'm not behind. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. I tend to ask myself, what am I doing wrong? Why does everyone else have it figured out and I'm always left behind? But the truth is, nobody really has it figured out. Some people are really good at hiding behind the chaos. For example, I don't know if you ever see couples that are doing so good on the internet and then years later they come out of what was actually happening behind the scenes. This is one of the greatest examples. You never know what's actually going on. Therefore, you cannot compare yourself to any of that. You just have to focus on your own life and your own timeline and getting to where you want to be. You're in your own chapter. Maybe it's healing. Maybe it's quiet. Maybe it's messy. Maybe life is supposed to be chaos right now. There's a reason for all of it. You have to go through it to see what that reason is. Just because it doesn't look like progress doesn't mean that any growth is actually happening. You grow every single day, more and more. Some of the most powerful moments in your life are gonna happen in silence. Sometimes it's not in front of an audience. So stop measuring your life by someone's highlight reel. You're not late. You're not missing out. You are aligning. Your path is sacred. It's not supposed to look like other people's because it's yours. We are all different people. There is no one out there who's exactly the same. Even twins, they are still different. They are still two whole, completely different people with completely different brains and completely different paths. You have to constantly give yourself some credit. You're growing in ways that you can't even see yet. And I promise, when your moment comes, you will understand all of the pain. You will understand all of it. Breathe. Trust the timing. You are not behind. You are exactly where you're supposed to be. Be proud of yourself. If no one told you, then I'm proud of you for even trying, for even progressing small steps every single day. Celebrate yourself. Celebrate those small steps that you've taken. Look back a year or two ago and tell me you haven't grown any. Tell me you're still the same person. I know you're not, because you grow. Whether it's slowly, whether it's fastly, you are growing regardless. I want to also add, a lot of people go through a lot of trauma and they think they just recover instantly and their lives just go like that. Your body, your mind, you need time to heal and recover. Those steps of healing and recovering is growth in itself, is helping you get to exactly where you need to be. Rebuilding yourself after pain, disappointment, that's going to be the strongest version of you. And that's going to be the version that succeeds. So even though it may seem like slow growth, it's still something. I also used to always think that every time I fell down, I was starting back over from zero. That's not true. Along the way of being pushed down to your lowest, you still learn some things. I need you to stop rushing. You're not running out of time. You are okay. You don't need to catch up to anyone. You are doing just fine. You just need to keep pushing and keep going. Regardless of what it's looking like right now, it's all for a reason. Okay, my lovelies, your story's not over. You're just in the part where the best things are still on the way. I will see you guys soon. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching.